So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on use wide address bar on Brave. So for that, we just need to open Brave. After that, here on the top right corner, you can see here three lines. Click on there, and then here as second last option, you can see here settings. Click on there, and then here on the left, you can see here many options, and here as second option, you can see here appearance. Click on there. And from here scrolling down, here as second section you can see here toolbar. In that section as an option you can see here use wide address bar, and here you can see that it had been turned off. So by clicking it you can turn it on. So this is how you can turn on use wide address bar on Brave. Alright, so that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorial. See you in the next one. Take care.